Dental fillings on a budget, evaluating prices in Europe and Turkey. In terms of maintaining our dental health, we all understand the importance of being able to keep a healthy dental hygiene. But there are times when dental problems occur that need more than flossing and brushing. Fillings for teeth are an effective procedure for treating chips, cavities, or other damages to the teeth. What happens if you require a filling, but you are in a tight budget? In this short video, we'll look at the costs of fillings for dental purposes across Europe as well as Turkey, as well as help you decide the best place to get low-cost dental treatment. Dental fillings are an essential procedure to restore the appearance and function of teeth that have been damaged. They typically consist from amalgam, composite resin, gold, amalgam, or any other substances, and utilized to fill dental cavities or to repair minor damages to teeth. Dental fillings cost will vary based on the type of material, area of the dental facility, as well as the experience that the dental professional has. In Europe, the cost for dental fillings is quite expensive, particularly in nations that have high standards of living. In the United Kingdom, the cost of fillings in the dental area could range from APS 50 up to APS 200, based on the type of material as well as the difficulty of the procedure. For countries such as Sweden, Norway, and Switzerland, the cost for dental fillings could be more expensive due to the rising cost of living and the labor involved. However, Turkey is known for the affordable treatment for dental issues and prices that are lower than those in other European countries. In Turkey, it is possible to find dental fillings can vary between $20 and $100 depending on the type of material as well as the location of the dental facility. This is what makes Turkey an ideal tourist destination for those seeking high-quality dental treatment for a fraction of the price. One of the primary factors behind the low cost for dental services for patients in Turkey is the low costs of living and work in comparison to other European countries. The dentists of Turkey to provide competitive rates for their services without sacrificing the quality of their services. Additionally, Turkey has a well-developed dental tourism sector, which includes numerous dental clinics catering to foreign patients that come to Turkey to receive affordable dental care. If you're thinking of getting an appointment for a dental filling but you are budget conscious, Turkey may be a suitable option. You will not only reduce the expense of procedure, but you'll be able to travel around a stunning country and learn about a unique cultural experience. It is crucial to conduct your own research to select a reliable and skilled dentist in Turkey so that you get top-quality dental treatment. Dental fillings are a vital treatment to maintain healthy oral health. However, it's important to think about the cost when deciding the best location to receive this procedure. Although the cost of dental fillings in Europe are high, Turkey offers affordable dental treatment without losing the quality. When you compare prices across Europe as well as Turkey and making an informed choice about which place to get the dental filling you need and reduce the cost of your dental procedure,